try it out. It's from a company called Mueller that makes these beautiful stoneware dishes. Now, I know y'all have seen my pampered chef and things in the past that I absolutely love stoneware. So we're gonna crack into this and see how everything looks. Now, the shipping on this, one, shipping was completely free, but the shipping was super fast. It only took like 3 days to get to me. I can't even get my Amazon stuff that fast anymore. So it's packaged in here, nice and tight. Oh, they're so heavy. So the first thing I want to see is this bottom box. This is what I'm most excited about. Now, y'all know we just got our new kitchen, so we are filling it up. And this will go beautifully. Oh my goodness, they're so heavy. Let me move y'all in so y'all can see, but look at our pretty new dishes. Okay, now that y'all can see a little bit better. So the thing that I love about these dishes, one, that they're stoneware. So they're going to be nice and easy to clean, but they're going to last too. But this little ridge, like the deep ridge, so it's not just a flat plate. We should have 4 of these. I chose the matte blueberry just because I think it's a beautiful color. But they had this awesome, like pretty pink. And if I had a pink kitchen, which I know I've seen some on like Beauty and the Beast, and she has a pink kitchen, and it's so cute and adorable, but it just wouldn't fit for me, and I think it just wouldn't fit for my aesthetic long term. But they have a beautiful olive color as well. But these are the dinner plates and the salad plates. And then let's open and see our bowls. Now the thing to remember with stoneware is they are dishwasher safe, but and they're microwave safe too. So they're really easy to use. But you wash them with like a warm soapy water and just a regular sponge or dishcloth. You don't want to use any of those scratching things. But y'all, look how beautiful. I'm so excited. We have our 4 bowls. And of course, this company is doing all of those free of chemicals, like the BPA, the phthalates, all of that, which is why I love this. So it's not like leaching into your food. I know the microwave isn't the best way for us to reheat things, but at least when you put these in the microwave to reheat your cup of coffee like me, I'll go through about 8 cups of coffee, but you sit it down somewhere to take care of the kids, you gotta warm it back up. So these won't be leaching those chemicals into your coffee or your tea or whatever, or into your food while you're warming it back up. But there we go. There's my entire new blueberry collection. Y'all tell me what you think. I'm going to wash these up and we're going to go ahead and serve lunch on them now. And I'll let y'all know in a couple of weeks or so how they're working out for us and if they stand up to a good amount of use. Like if they scratch easy or not. But so far, oh, and I love that it even says dishwasher and microwave safe on the bottom. So if you forget, like sometimes I do forget what is appropriate, then it tells you. But y'all, look how gorgeous these are. I'm super excited. So let's have lunch and I will see y'all next time.